Hey, this is Lindsay with Halloween Every Night, and in this video series, I'm going to show you how I made my Roxanne Wolf cosplay from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. So the first step in any cosplay is to make a plan, which you can see that I have made here on my iPad. I like to really take a look in depth at the character and kind of just go section by section. So I'm gonna describe to you here what sections I have done. So first up we have the body, which includes the crop top and panty situation. You can see here that I kind of drew both of them out just so I could see where the markings go. But in retrospect, I'm going to change the panty situation into kind of like short shorts, because this is an interpretation of a non-human character. You can really do whatever you want. I was also debating getting a bodysuit so I could do the gray part, but I ultimately decided I was going for a more human interpretation. So we're not doing the bodysuit. I also included in the body section, I have included the shoulder pads and the leg and arm warmers. It's helpful for me to arrange things into sections like this, so I don't forget things. The next section is the accessories. So this is going to include the wrist cuffs, the stud collar, the nails. You can see she does have green fingernails. Since she is an animal character, she does have paws. So the shoes are not super important to me. When I get to that part, I'll probably just look at shoes that I already have rather than purchase new shoes. The next section are the animal parts, which are the ears and the tail. You can see she has piercings in the ears, and I've made notes on what those piercings are so I don't forget any of them. So she does have a black hoop, black stud, two black studs, and a purple hoop, which these I will probably end up 3D printing. The last section is the wig. Wigs are not my forte. She does have a green streak in her hair, so I will probably call upon one of my friends to help me with the wig, because that is not my strong suit. Alright, now that I have my plan, my next step is materials. So I confess, for this project, I just raided my material stash. If you are a longtime cosplayer like me, you know. You look under your bed, look anywhere. You have so many materials just waiting to be used. Right now, I'm in a phase where I'm trying to use up all of those things, so I'm kind of just going through my stuff and seeing what can I use. So I have here this that I'm gonna use for the animal parts. I actually got this at Remainders, which if you're anywhere in Southern California, I cannot recommend Remainders enough. This is a, it's in Pasadena. This is a craft thrift store. So people who have started working on projects, got distracted, picked up other hobbies, they donate their fully, this is, so you can't even fit in the frame. This is so much fake fur that they have a deal where as much fabric as you can stuff in a plastic bag, you can pay $15 for that. So this was one of the fabrics I stuffed in my bag one time just because I was like, fur is expensive, this is nice fur. So I've just had this in my closet for a while, and now I can finally use it. So that's fabric number one. I found also my stash, this shiny red satin, which I'm going to use for the crop top, the shorts, and the shoulder pads. This shiny like crepe, which I'm going to use for the leg warmers and arm warmers. Honestly, this is probably not the material that I would want to use this either. I would probably, if I was going from scratch, I would want to use a more stretching material for these components, but I'm really trying to save money. I'm trying to use things that I already have, and I know these are both shiny, these will work well together. Alright, what else did I get for this cosplay? Oh, the last thing that I got is I did get this trim. This will be for the collar, it will be for the wrist, and it'll also be, there's a trim like this around the shorts. I did get this at Joann. They are currently closing a lot of locations, so hit them up if you need to get a deal. Alright, now I'm all prepped. That's it for this video. Join me next time where I will work on the animal parts. See ya!